Today I'm going to show you how you can customize your running log on Running2Win, which includes the ability to create your own run types, terrain types, cross-training information, and even shoes. To go ahead and do this, we're going to go ahead and select on the menu icon in the upper right-hand corner, and that's going to bring you over. You scroll all the way across to your running log. You can do this directly on your running log or log a workout option. Or if you scroll down, you'll see areas where you can click on shoes, activity types, terrain types, and cross-training types. And these are other areas where you can go ahead and make these customizations. So I'm going to go ahead and select the log a workout option here. That'll bring me to my add edit activity feature of the running log. And so if we look on the right-hand side here, route and course information, we can go ahead and load in courses that you regularly run and also keep track of your personal best in that course. So if you select on the plus sign, that's going to enable you to go ahead and add a running course. I'll click on that, and it'll bring me to a page that looks like this one here. And so I preloaded some information on here. We call it name this run. You have the distance, route type, difficulty, PR, date of your PR, the terrain type. And so you can keep track of all this information. And when you go ahead and you're done, just select add route, and you'll see this show up in your list of different routes that you regularly run on. So another option is you can add in different terrain types, and Running2Win will also enable you to keep track of your total cumulative training on different types of surfaces you regularly run on. So if you go ahead and press the plus sign here, you can add terrain types, and that'll bring me to a window that looks like this one here. So you can see my current terrain types that I have loaded in on the left hand side, and so the one I want to add in today is I'm going to add in grass as a terrain that I go ahead and train on. And so to do that, I'm going to go ahead and select add terrain type, and then now that's going to be one of the options that I can go ahead and select on my training log here. I'll see these different terrain options here, and my terrain types are listed down here at the bottom. And so you can see grass was just added. Okay, next up, we're going to go ahead and look at add, edit, run types. And so you already have some pre-programmed run types in this menu here, and then you can go ahead and also customize your own run types. I have one loaded in there, so I'm going to go ahead and select add, edit, run types, and then it's going to bring me to a screen that looks like this one here. And so these are my, on the left-hand side, the pre-existing ones that are automatically Running2Win, including my customized one right there. So the one I'm going to add in today is I'm going to call it Cross-Country Course Preview Run. You can go ahead and create your own color coding system, make it easier to pick out from the menu here. And so once I've done with all that information, I click on Add Activity Type. And that'll be added now to my types of activity. I'll see down at the bottom of the screen, cross-country preview run. Alright, so the next thing I can customize is my shoe information. So if I go ahead, I can see my current shoes listed all here. If I want to add a new one, I select add, and that'll bring me to a screen that looks like this. And I preloaded some data in here about a new trail shoe that I wanted to add. You have your name your shoe, your brand, type, model. You can put your expiration mileage, so you get a warning when you're hitting the expiration of your shoe, including information of where you bought it and cost, and monitor all those details as well. When you finish that, go ahead and just click Save Shoe. And then you'll see the trail shoe now shows up on in your list of shoes here, and it doesn't have any volume on. The main shoe I've been using, you see, is this training shoe here that has 221 miles on it right now. Alright, the next and the last thing you can go ahead and to make customizations to will be your cross-training activity. To do that, go ahead and click on Add Edit Activities, and then that'll bring you to a page that looks like this one. You can see some of the activities I already have in there for cross-training. I have some pull-ups, some strength training, some push-ups. So I'm going to go ahead and add something that I do occasionally, would be an Alter G treadmill run. And so once I've preloaded that in there, go ahead and select Add Activity, and then that'll show up on your cross-training activity. You have some automatic ones that are already in here from Running2Win, and then under My Activity list you have your own customized one. So if I was going to go ahead and do a treadmill run, I can go ahead and select that and record some notes as well. So these are some of the few options that you have to go ahead and create a more customizable training log so you can better keep track of the types of training you're doing, where you're doing it, and track things like that. If you have any questions, please go ahead and email us. You can reach me at Kevin@Running2Win, and we'll certainly be happy to help you. All right, happy running.